remember when I read the book Made in America, basically about Sam Walton and his journey building America, building Walmart. There's a quote in there about how the customer is always right. Now, now that quote is true to some extent, but at the same time, it is some of the worst advice ever. Especially being an entrepreneur and running your own business, is that it's okay to fire the customer. The customer is not always right. You got to learn to set boundaries, and if you have that attitude that the customer is always right no matter what, then you're going to end up having customers that walk all over you, and you'll continue allowing them to do that. So just because you hear a quote or something like that doesn't mean it's always true. Just because it's a quote or just because someone's successful. So something that I've learned over the years is that it's okay to fire a customer, to fire someone that you're doing business with. Just today, I fired a customer in a medical commodities business. Someone who I've bought boxes from a couple of times, but the guy is really annoying and blows up my phone, texts me repeatedly, even if I don't answer. It's extremely obnoxious. I don't like it. And so finally, I had to fire him. I had to let him go. Let him know that he's gonna have to start going through someone else because I don't that's just I don't. Again, I have boundaries. I treat people with the best customer service, but I do have boundaries. And if you walk all over them and you push it too far, I am going to fire you. It doesn't matter if you're a female that I'm dating or or whoever. I've had to fire title companies before that I worked with. Multiple title companies with my notary business that were just too rude and disrespectful to me. And even though, potentially lost thousands or tens of thousands of dollars working with them, they crossed the boundaries and I had to let them go. I had to fire them as hard as it was. I've had to fire business partners. I've had to fire, customers in all of my business. Even people applying to coach with me on this channel. I had someone who reached out to me and was texting me and everything, and just pushed it too far. Being just pushed my boundaries too much, and I realized this isn't someone that I want to coach and someone that I want to work with. So I fired them. I told them that I wasn't interested in coaching them. They're gonna have to go somewhere else. And of course, they all texted back, all pissed off and everything. But that's okay. I don't need the money, and I don't, want to take. I have boundaries, and I'm not gonna. I don't care. I would rather. I have more respect in myself than to just sell my soul and to sell off my respect just to, get a couple bucks. So I'm just sharing that as a message to guys that it's okay to fire the customer. One of my friends, he has his own medical commodities business. He's doing really well, but he has a hard time with that, and he gets some customers that just drive him crazy. They're blowing up his phone and stuff, and really annoying. And he asked me if I wanted this customer. I said, no, I don't want them. That's the type of customer I would fire quickly. My business is easy and it's simple, and I had drama free. And the reason why is because I'm quick to fire customers and cut them off that come at me with a certain energy. And I've gotten good at that over the years. Even in the notary business, when people call me up, I'm quick to just, I have a way of firing them, getting rid of them where, they kind of don't even realize what's happening, but, it's just kind of a nonchalant, under the radar way of, me firing them. I have no problem. The same thing with the wedding business. I don't, I have more, I care more about my respect and my self-esteem than selling off my dignity just to make money. So don't be afraid to fire someone if a customer is driving you nuts, or someone you're working with. Have boundaries and be firm on them. Be a nice, a genuine person and everything, and hardworking, all the other good elements. But if someone is trying to walk all over you, then fire them, let them go, because thinking it's just going to get better is foolish. And especially in dating and things like that, someone that will start to walk all over you, and you let it slide and everything, and you're thinking it's going to get better, and then it never does. No, have boundaries, and when someone crosses them, fire them. Let them go. You're fired. So till next time, guys, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.